Hi, my name's David. I'm a serial bike restorer. Here's a Honda NC30 that I bought during lockdown. Before starting to restore it, I decided I needed to restore my garage floor a bit. The flaking paint and concrete was uncomfortable, dirty and just not a nice working environment. I did some research, shopped around a bit and ended up buying some of Duramat's DuraTile flooring. The blurb said it was easy to lay, hard wearing and easy to clean, and the reviews seem to back that up too. I've been working on my DuraTile flooring for a little over a year now, and while it definitely lives up to the blurb, for me it also delivers other benefits. I very rarely lose small parts now if I put them on the floor. They're very visible. If I happen to drop anything like a washer or an E-clip, they don't just ping off somewhere else in the garage, never to be found like they used to on concrete. I've also found that I can put plastic panels safely on the floor without fear of scratching the back of them. It seems as though plastic on plastic is more forgiving than plastic is on concrete. They are very easy to keep clean. The easiest way I've found, and I have really put them to the test, is to use a brake cleaner or parts degreaser in a pump up bottle and just spray onto anything, oil, coolant, brake fluid, whatever, spray it on, wipe it off and then it's dry immediately and away you go. The other big benefit that I've found is that the uniform surface of the tiles makes them far more comfortable to kneel on or lay on than a cold concrete floor, and when you're spending any amount of time in the garage, that's got to be a good thing.